Hi, I'm Joe Walling with Dump Truck Dispatcher. Do you have trouble keeping up with the DOT requirements for your drivers, such as their license expiration, physical due dates, and motor vehicle reviews? Dump Truck Dispatcher provides an easy way for you to keep on top of these dates so you don't run afoul of the DOT. If you have entered in the appropriate information, you'll be able to see at a glance of the driver's list what needs to be addressed. Here you see we're looking at the driver's list, and there are 3 columns on the right. The L stands for the license, P is the physical, and M is the motor vehicle review. So these 3 columns are showing you the status of these items based on the color. Those that are red are overdue, those with the yellow circles are due within 30 days, and those with the green circle aren't due for at least 30 days. The other thing is that you can sort these by clicking at the top, and now you can have them in an order which you can work on multiple of them at once. And if you want to see the detail behind a specific driver, if we click on this button with the ellipsis, click on Edit, you'll see we have the contact information such as their cell phone number, email, and so on. And then this second tab has a status. That's where we have their license number, their class of their license, and the various last dates and upcoming dates that are reflected on the list. While this functionality isn't intended to replace your driver files that you should already be maintaining, it will keep you on top of things so that you don't miss important due dates.